Hello students, welcome to our English grammar class for 7th standard. Before coming to the syllabus of your class, let us have a quick recap at the very basics of English language. As you know, there are 26 letters in English language from A to Z, where A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels and remaining 21 letters are called consonants. Here, alphabets A to Z are referred as alphabets, and the combination of these alphabets make words. Words are meaningful combination of letters. Sentences are formed from the meaningful combination of words. Like, you are an intelligent child, where this sentence is formed by the meaningful combination of words you are an intelligent and child. If you jumble these words like are an child, you intelligent, this will not form a proper sentence. A proper sentence must contain a subject and a verb. So, a proper sentence must have a good subject and verb agreement. We will learn about these rules later. Let us now come to the types of sentences. Basically, there are 4 kinds of sentences on the basis of what they imply or refer to. These types are: first is declarative sentence, second is imperative sentence, third is interrogative sentence, and the fourth is exclamatory sentence. Clear, students? Now let us learn about the first kind of sentence, that is the declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is a one that declares or states something. For example, he goes to school. There are 2 kinds of declarative sentence. First is affirmative sentence, second is negative sentence. Affirmative sentence is the one that affirms a declaration or a preposition, means a statement. Negative sentence is a one that negates a declaration. मतलब अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस वो होते हैं जो किसी कथन का सत्यापन करते हैं, और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस वो होते हैं जो किसी कथन को गलत बताते हैं, झूठ बताते हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, द स्कूल रीओपन्स टुडे, इज अ अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, एंड द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, शी इज नॉट वेल, इज अ negative sentence. Negative sentence contains the words like not, never, etc. A declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Clear, students? Now come to the second kind of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Now what are imperative sentence? Let us learn the definition of imperative sentences. An imperative sentence is the one that expresses a request, an order, a suggestion, or an advice. For example, let us look at the example of a request. First is, please help me. Second, shut the door, is an order. Third, you should talk to your parents, is a suggestion. Fourth, never lose your patience is an advice. Clear? Now come to the fourth kind of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a one that asks a question. Interrogative sentences end with a question mark. There are basically 2 kinds of interrogative sentences. First is, an interrogative sentence can be a WH question, where the question starts with the words like when, why, who or how and what. Second kind of interrogative sentences are the one that can be a question answered with yes or no. Like, do you want tea? Do you like coffee? Etc. How are you is a second kind of sentence that starts with a WH question. Clear? Now move on to the last and fourth kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a one that expresses strong feelings and emotions. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what a great idea. I hope students you would have learned about all these kinds of sentences. Now come to the homework part of the sentences. Children, frame 5 sentences of each kind of sentence on your home. In the next class, we will be learning about the parts of sentences. Thank you.